Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Power of Nutrition. Friends, Tamil Nadu is the only place in India where you actually get pure coffee. Last week I was in Coonoor, which is in Tamil Nadu, a very beautiful place. Of course, it's a hill station. This is Coonoor railway station. And there I actually came across a surprising and interesting fact which I wasn't aware about. So thought of making a video on that so that you guys are aware about what this companies, coffee making companies are actually selling to you. So just sharing an information with you guys which I got to know when I visited a tea factory in Coonoor. Most of the Indian brands like Nescafe Bru, the coffee that they're selling is actually not the pure coffee. They are mixing something in it which is almost 30% of the overall content. Okay, so 70% is pure coffee, 30 to 40% is something else, and that something else is called as Chicory. Now Chicory is actually a plant. The root of that plant is actually used for making chicory beans, which are similar to coffee beans, but of course it might have some benefits. It might have some side effects as well. Now chicory is actually not harmful or unhealthy. It has its own benefit, but at the same time it has some side effects as well. So what you need to know is how much chicory is used in Nescafe or Brew or whichever coffee you are using, and whether your system, you yourself can handle chicory or not. So here is the video friends, where a local guy in Coonoor, Tamil Nadu is actually explaining the process of how coffee is made and how chicory is added by the international brands like Nescafe and Brew in our coffee.
हाँ, ये ग्रीन कॉफ़ी का बीज है. ग्रीन कॉफ़ी बीज इसके अंदर डालते रोस्ट करना तो ऐसा आ जाएगा. ये फिर वो मिक्सर में डालते ग्राइंड करना चाहिए 100% प्योर कॉफ़ी पाउडर. फिर वो मशीन, वो ब्लेंडर देखना है ना, उसके अंदर 90% प्योर कॉफ़ी पाउडर, 10% वाली चिकर मिक्स करके अंदर सेल करे. ये तो फिल्टर कॉफ़ी. बाहर से लेना तो इंस्टेंट आता है, वो तो 70% कॉफ़ी पाउडर, 30%
नेस्कैफे वगैरह,
नेस्कैफे ब्रू, एनीथिंग एल्स, वो तो इंस्टेंट कॉफ़ी.
Okay.
ये तो फिल्टर कॉफ़ी, 90% कॉफ़ी, 10% चिकन.
Okay.
प्योर कॉफ़ी पाउडर.